Midjourney version 5 just came out and the results are absolutely unbelievable. All of the images that you're looking at right now are not real photos, they are entirely generated by AI. In this video, I will teach you how you can use AI to make these images, including how to turn yourself into a 3D character from a Pixar movie in 5 minutes for basically free. Let's get started. So let's get started by going to midjourney.com and sign in. Start your prompt and write something like photo of a quirky red-haired teen girl, and then you can add some more details that you want. And at the end, you want to write --AR space 3 2, so you can have an aspect ratio of 3:2. Then you write --V space 5 in order to get version 5, which is the most photorealistic result. We're going to go with the third result here. This is our first photo, and as you can see, it is super realistic. For the next prompt, we're going to repeat the same thing, but instead of photo, we're going to replace it with poster in the style of Alphonse Mucha. I'm going to delete some of the details here and add detailed floral ornaments. I'm going to go with number 2, and there you go, this is the result. Now for the last one, if you'd like to turn yourself into a cartoon, what you do is you drag and drop the photo of yourself into the Discord channel, and then you hit enter. And then you right click on that image and click copy link. And then I'm going to start my prompt again and paste the link as the first thing into the chat box. And then I'm going to add a description, which is, for example, cartoon 3D render of a guy in the style of Pixar. For this one, I'm going to add --IW, which stands for image weight, which is how much the render is going to look like your original image. In this case, I'm going to go with 0.5 so that it looks more like a cartoon and less like a real human being. Send it. I'm going to go with number 1. And there you go. This is yourself as a cartoon. Pretty cool. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next tutorial. And you can also follow me on these platforms for more.